Okay, kids, it's Nana Bobana cooking again. So I'm making spaghetti with some shrimp. So I have my pan over here with butter. There's some butter. Alright, all nice and hot. And then what I'm going to do is I got a shaker and it says cornstarch with a little bit of salt and pepper. Actually, this one doesn't say salt and pepper, so I don't usually like to add a lot of salt and pepper because it ends up, the minute a person gets the food on their table, they end up, they just shake it on, so nice and easy. They end up adding all their own salt and pepper. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to fry these up, drain the spaghetti, and a little bit more, beep, 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 beep. And that's going to be spaghetti and shrimp. Okay, another meal from Nana. So it's extremely hot today. It's like 90 degrees out all day. It is Monday, June 6th, I think? 5th or 6th, yeah, 6th. It's a Monday. So I cooked my spaghetti. I added a little bit of garlic, and then I put some more butter in it. And I'm just going to mix it all together, get it all nice and warm, put it on a plate. I will probably have some little bit of blue cheese on the side to dip it in, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And Fred will probably have just a little bit of cocktail sauce. So this could be shrimp scampi maybe, I don't know. You could add other things to it, but pretty simple. Brown everything up, cook your spaghetti, add it together, and we have a meal. Alright. Till next time.